In this video, I will show you how to use the 7-in-1 Luminance facial sculpture. So for this video, we shall go to the official website of Luminance and we shall see the video tutorial on how to use it. So quickly, when you search over here for the Luminance 7-in-1, you come to this official website over here, which is the algae and it has pink in color. So once you come to this website, you see this video over here. Go ahead and play the video. So this video is by the website itself and it shows you how to use the Luminance facial sculptor. And then let's play the video and see.
This is the Luminance 7-in-1 facial sculptor device. How to turn on. When turning on the device, please hold the power button for a full 10 seconds as it takes longer to power up for the first time. Make sure the device is not connected to the charger when turning it on, as it will not power up while charging. Press or tap the power button to cycle through the 7 light settings. There are 3 modes with different energy levels that corresponds with the 7 light settings. Clean level 1, green, purple, white, EMS level 2, red, yellow, hot level 3, blue, cyan. Massage, direction tips. Massage from chin to cheek. Massage from cheek to outer eye corner. Massage forehead from bottom to top. Massage from neck to chin. Massage chin to neck. Hold the power button after 4 minutes.
So guys, that's simply how to use the Luminance 7-in-1 LED facial sculpture. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.